All right, welcome back. Breaking. Yoruba agitators list 5 demands set to protest at British Parliament over Sunday, Igboho. All right, my people, the news in details. Onto this, Yoruba activists in London, England have announced plans to hold a rally on July 21st to protest the harsh treatment of individuals arrested at the home of Yoruba Freedom Hero Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho. Alright, onto this, the Department of State Services raided Igboho's home in Soka, Ibadan, Oyo State around 1 a.m. on July 1st, killing 2 of his associates and then arresting 13 others, according to Sahara reporters. Meanwhile, her media assistant to the freedom fighter Olayomi Koiki revealed intentions by agitators in the diaspora to hold a rally on the given date in London's Parliament Square. He outlined 5 requests for the protest. 1. The immediate release of Igboho's assistant. 2. The immediate release of the bodies of the 2 men killed by the DSS during the raid. And 3. The right to medical attention for the sick detainees. Others include a halt to Igboho, witch hunting, and then 5 requesting that the DSS focus its efforts on locating the bandits terrorizing the southwest region. Koiki said on the 1st of July was an assassination attempt on the life of Chief Sunday Igboho. The DSS with the Nigerian military and French-speaking mercenaries came around 1:30 a.m. without a search warrant and kept firing for more than 2 hours. They killed 2 innocent Yoruba men. One was shot at point blank, while the second was murdered. But bodies were taken away. Also, 12 Yoruba are still kept at the underground cell of the DSS without committing an offense. Meanwhile, the property was damaged. There were bullet holes all over the house. Money and jewelries were stolen but not declared. Those arrested need medical attention as soon as possible. Well, if Black Lives Matter, why is the world quiet when it comes to Yorubas? The government has refused to allow those in the custody of the DSS access to their lawyers because others from above won't allow it. Well, are we going to continue like this? When we say enough is enough, Chief Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. The government has refused to find out the locations of bandits and Boko Haram killing thousands of Nigerians daily. All right, and then this advocate on this one, my people. Well, the truth of the matter has been that this set of people must be freed. In no time, they must be freed because we don't know what they are still doing there. They are not criminals, and this has been said so far. They are not criminals. They must be released, and then so that they can go and have a proper medical attention needs to be given to them anyway. Well, and then my people, a lot of things have been said onto this, and then as it is, well, I think a lot of things are being said so far onto this. Well, we have overflogged this issue, and then we pray we have peace of mind, rest of mind in this country, because everything we have said repeatedly, we pray that the federal government will after all this rally and the rest of the protest, I pray that everything will go on successfully, because we are tired of jumping from one pillar to the post, in the sense that majority of these people you are seeing from one rally to another, not that they don't have any other job to do, not that they are useless, but they are fighting for their future. That is why you can see Sunday Igboho and other agitators going from one state to another, so that peace will reign in future. And the majority of them have said it that well. The reason why we are protesting, we are doing all this rally, propagating the gospel, has been because we don't want our generation unborn to suffer the same thing we have suffered. And they're so reasonable. We don't want them to suffer the same thing, because if we do not fight for them right now, they will suffer in future. A lot of things will go wrong in future. Can you imagine? See what the Fulani Caliphate, look at what they are doing. They don't even want to listen. They don't even want to. In fact, the majority of them are not even feeling any remorse that what they are doing is wrong. If you check social media right now, you get to see a lot of comments, a lot of messages coming from people saying that, so you people are fighting for Sunday Igboho, Abi. I tell you, somebody was like, so because of one terrorist called Sunday Igboho, that's why you people are organizing rallies. Why are you doing all this? Because of somebody who is a terrorist. You can imagine what all these Fulani people are talking about. Of which they understand, they know what they are doing, simply because they have seen that this set of people are going against them. Because they know that their evil plan, the evil agenda they have in mind, they know that if this set of people go against them, those evil plan will not come to be. So now, if they see anyone who is going against their evil plan, they call that person a terrorist. That's exactly what is going on in this country. For somebody like Nnamdi Kanu to be detained, to be called a terrorist, somebody who is actually making sure that the region is not being taken over by the Fulani Caliphate, yet you call him a terrorist. Somebody that the people, the Southeasterners in the village, have said that since the emergence of the security network, he created the Eastern Security Network, that they have been able to sleep with their two eyes closed. That same person you are calling a terrorist. Meanwhile, the major terrorists are gallivanting town. Every part of Abuja, every part of Kano, every part of the country, they are doing all sorts of things. Nobody is talking about them. Instead, they organize concerts, they organize shows, they organize get together with bandits. After they must have paid ransom, they will still have to do some get together. They know themselves. Yet this set of people are left to roam about the streets, misbehave anyhow. They've forgotten that there is God in heaven. Well, one thing for sure is that definitely they will regret this. And that is just it. Well, my people, a lot of things have been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, my people. And remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.